presenting the KY8000 Soundbar with dynamic surround sound system. In this video, you will learn about the 4 types of placement installation methods for the KY8000. The first type is a long soundbar combination tabletop installation method. First, align the grooves in the 2 parts of the soundbar. Then, twist to rotate the bottom of the 2-section speaker from unlock to lock. Finally, the long soundbar tabletop combination installation is complete. The second type is a long soundbar wall mount method. After driving the 2 screws in the package into the wall, hang the screws on 2 holes at the back of the soundbar. Finally, the long soundbar wall mount installation is complete. The third type is 2 separate tower soundbar tabletop installation method. First, align the right and left separate soundbars on their bases. Then, twist to lock the separate soundbars on the bases. Finally, the 2 separate tower soundbar tabletop installation is complete. The fourth type is 2 separate tower soundbars wall mount method. First, remove the round discs from each base and unscrew the 3 screws in the bottom of each disc to keep the base connector connected to each soundbar. Second, install the right and left separate soundbars on their bases. Third, after driving 2 green expansion screws and 2 screws in the package into the wall, hang the screws on 2 holes at the back of the soundbar. Finally, the separate wall-mounted installation is complete. However, please note that when you want to restore the base to its original state, install the discs back.